welcome to Aydens Awesome Adventures. We have GoGo Smart Animals here today. So, but they're old, you can't get them anymore. But I want to show you these toys. I mean, it's been supposed to make this. This has been made 2012, 10 years ago. And now it's 2022. They were made at around, I think, June 1st. I don't really know. Well, alright, let's go test them out. So this is the lion, and you tap his button, and he does talk. And then you keep tapping the button, he does more stuff. That's cool. And you can move him around just like a real lion. That's kind of cool. And he automatically goes when you not tap the button for I think 2 or 3 times. So, oops. Next we got the elephant. You tap his button, watch. And that's kind of cool. Look at him go. That's pretty cool. Fun. Next, we have the monkey. You tap his and up he goes. Oops. Let's try that again. And he's the king of the house. Well, unfortunately, not the king of the house. So, that's kind of cool. Next, we got Hippo. Let's go tap his button. Wow. There he goes. Look at he go. Must be hungry. And look, lion wants to join too. And monkey and elephant, they all want to join together. Look, everyone wants to play. Wow, let's tap everybody. Look at them go. So these are fun toys. Oh, these are great GoGo Smart Animal toys for kids to play with. And so, there's more zoo animals that we didn't do yet, but we will do. So there are alligator, giraffe, and a zebra, and the bear. And so, bye, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, give that like button, I think you already did, and please subscribe, and next time I'll do some more zoo animal fun, and bye guys, see you next time, bye.